Hi everyone and welcome to a new tutorial in Fusion 360. Here we are building the Mini Cooper S. I will add some detail here on the front of the car. Please, if you like it, you can make a thumbs up, and if you are new in my channel, please subscribe and find me on Instagram to continue watching all the episode of this Mini Cooper. There are some episodes it will be payable on my. You will find it on my website, and you can download the 3D model also in 3D model on my website. Here I'm working on the front of the car. As you can see, it's too easy. You have just to use spline, and you will cut it. Okay, use trim feature, but you have not to confine between two features. There are a trim feature on sketch mode, as you can see there. We have scissors, okay, here, and on the feature, on the patch mode, we have also a feature named trim. Okay. Once you finish sketching, just go to trim feature. As I say to you, is to select this profile like tool and select the surface to cut, and you have this result. You can verify, as you can see from the top here, and you can edit. That's what is good with the patch mode. You can edit the surfaces and see if you are okay or not. Okay, you can modify it as you want, as much as you want. Okay, if I can tell that. Okay, you can explore other tutorial in my channel if you want, like the BMW Z4. Once you finish this, just save your file and let's go ahead. My PC is running low here, and let's make this surface. Start a new sketch. You can choose this like plan. Activate the 3D sketching and sketch a line between these, and here just start repeat a 3D sketch on the edges or on the spline. Okay, once you finish this, go ahead and add another spline on this reference. For that, I add the reference on the beginning of the tutorial. Okay, once you finish this, just make this one, tangent, and use the noodle here to move it. As you can see, use M key to have move feature. Okay, I think it's okay like this. Let's turn on patch feature. I think it's okay. You have just to make some detail here of the converter and tangency here. I will change this one and the tangency here. It looks like good here, and validate. Here I will take you in another adventure. Here is to make this surface. Let's start with the right view. Select the right plane and turn it just like that, this, to start your spline. As you can see here, that's the first one, and add another. Just start with this point. Okay, make it tangent here and tangent in this side. Here you can add another spline between this point. Here I want to fix this point, as you can see here, to do not move it when I create another spline between these. As you can see here, you can't do that because you are start with the right plane, so you can only draw on the or sketch on the right plane. Okay, once you do this, you can just move these points, as you can see here. You have just to select it and use move to move it. Make this point horizontal. I want the handles, okay, and the 2 points, as you can see here, just move it. As you can see, that's from the front view. Okay, see from the top and the right view and see if everything is matched here. Don't forget, if you want to move the middle point, you have to unfix this point. Okay. Now when you press M to move it, as you can see, you can move it. Okay, don't forget to unfix the point if you want to move it, so you can't move it. Okay. From the top, I think everything is alright. As you can see, it takes many time. Okay, just I prefer to accelerate some videos, okay, to don't waste the time and go to the goal. Okay, just I think you understand me to tell you just the main tools to make a car. Even if you want to download the payable episode, but you can do that yourself and just modify it as you think. Okay, sorry, it's my fault. Here, once you finish the sketch, go to create here and find loft feature or loft command if you want, and select these as profile, and you have done with this surface. Okay, now once you finish all this, you can see it here, it's good. Okay, let's jump to add some detail here. I will start with the front view. Okay, I want to project this one. Just use P to project it. You can find it here if you want. I think Fusion is changed and updated, but you can use P to project. Once you project it, you can use extrude mode to extrude it from, choose here object, from object, and make here put 35 or more than 30, because I will cut it right now. Here I will draw just a line. Okay, we will use it to cut this surface. Okay, to make when I fill the surface, I want a rectangular. Okay, it will be rectangular. Okay, if you can do that. Okay, just draw a line, as you can see here, a simple line, and move it. Just click and drag. Okay, finish your sketch, and you can select it and go to trim. Select this surface like trim surface. Okay, we will trim this one. As you can see, you have a nice result. You can just take off the canvas and you have a nice result. For now, I will tell you thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share and like the video, and find you next week.